In this Gym Insight tutorial video, we're going to be going over your revenue report. Your revenue report is a financial report depending on the date range you set it for. So let's get to the revenue report now. If we click the home button and go to reports, we're going to select financials. We're going to scroll down and go to revenue report. Now defaulted, it's set to 1 month out. So if you want to see your financials for more than a month, we would set the beginning date as you wish. As of right now, I'm just going to set it for 1 month. So we're going to start from the beginning of November to the end of November, even though today's the 22nd. And we're going to click update. And here it's going to list every avenue of how the business made money. It's going to show you all your successful transactions, your declined transactions, revenue by payment method, where you can see right here it's $52,932.50. Here, this will break that up to show you how you got to that number. Down here, it's going to break it up even further, where it's going to show how much of that was membership dues, retail products, account fees, personal training, classes, and give you that. If you need to get even more detailed reports of these fees, like say under your retail products, we sold $115. If I want to see everything about this $115, I can click on that, and it's going to break it out into another report that you can actually export to a CSV file. So if any of these reports, your membership dues, your new memberships, personal training, account fees, you need to be transferred to a CSV file, again, just click on that number, scroll down, click export to CSV, and we could see it started the export. Once the export is completed, all you have to do is click on exported reports, and we're going to see that report right here. At this point, it's ready to be downloaded. So if we click download report, it's now downloaded the report, and I can open it up, and there's my report. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 855-367-4967.